These how to 1 minute will show you how to fix NETT ERR CERT authority invalid error. If the first solution is run an SSL test for the website domain. To do that, open this website sslshopper.com. Once you are in this website, scroll down and here you will get check the SSL certificate on your site option. Here type www. and type your domain and click on check SSL. And here you will get all informations about your domain SSL certificate. If you see green mark for all of these options, it means your SSL certificate is working perfectly. In this case, you can try to reopen the website from a different browser and then check the issue. And the second solution is clear the SSL state. To do that, click on this search icon and type here internet option and open internet options app, and here click on content and click on clear SSL state. And after quickly doing it, try to reopen the website and check the issue. And the next solution is clear browsing data. To do that, open your Chrome browser and click on this three dot. Hover over on more tools and click on clear browsing data. Time range, make sure to select here all time. And now here make sure to select all of these boxes and click on clear data. After quickly clearing your browsing data, try to reopen the website and check the issue. And the next solution is disable your browser extensions. To do that, click on this three dot, hover over on extensions and click on manage extensions. If you're using bunch of different extensions, then you have to disable all of them one by one. And after quickly doing it, try to reopen the website and check the issue. After following all of the solution, hope the error will be solved. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.